enter the pipe through the back or front of the threader. Tighten down the chuck jaws. And secure the pipe with the hammer chuck. Before starting your machine, make sure that you put it into the forward gear. Measure out how much pipe is to be taken off and mark the pipe. Lower the cutter into position, turn on the machine, and start to tighten the cutter. When the pipe is cut, lift the cutters out of the way. Use the reaming tool. Put the tool into the pipe to clean out any sharp edges left by the cut. After the reaming is done, ensure that there are no sharp edges left inside. Close the chasers by turning the lever towards you before starting your threads. Have your oiler ready in your hand. Add a bit of oil onto the pipe. To start threading, there must be pressure added by pushing on the lever arm to move the chasers onto the pipe. Once the threading has started, the machine will thread on its own. Once it's threading on its own, you can release pressure from the lever arm. When the threads have reached the end of the chasers, open the chaser lever to end the threading process. Make sure the machine comes to a complete stop before wiping any excess oil off of the pipe. Finally, test out the threads with a fitting to ensure that the thread depth is correct. This completes the threading process with the Rigid 300. Thank you.